Hey everyone, so this video will show you where to look to find any of the commands you need to help you analyze the data. So let's go back to our favorite data site, the Introduction to Statistical Investigations. And let's scroll down to the cereal sugar in Chapter 6. And what they've done with this data is they looked at the sugar content and found that sugar on high shelves had these contents, sugar on low shelves had these contents. So I'm going to copy all this data, but not the shelves or the sugar title. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my GeoGebra Classic, and then click in cell A1 and paste that data. And I'm going to go ahead and make a list of each of these. So I'm going to click on the header for column A, click into the cell first to get the toolbar up, and then create a list. And this is the shelf height or location. I'll click Create. And then I will do the same thing with this one. Create a list. And this is the sugar. And I want to just mess with the quantitative data. So where can I find all these commands? Well, if I can direct your attention to the lower left corner of this screen where there's this keyboard, if I click on that keyboard, it slowly opens up. And then to the right of the keypad, there are 3 dots, a snowman laying on its side. And so I will click on those 3 dots. And this is a table of contents, if you will, of all your commands. And I'm just interested in the statistics commands. Oh my. ANOVA, fit growth, fit line X, MAD, mean of just the X's or means of Y. So this is where all those things exist. So I'm going to click on it. Let's just click on one of those statistics commands, like for example ANOVA, and go Show Online Help. And this should open up another window that shows you some examples how to use those commands. And if you want to know more about the commands, on the right-hand side, it knows that this was a statistics command, so I can click on the statistics commands. And this takes me to where all those statistics commands are located. And there are a bunch of them, and some of them we will never use, but if I was teaching AP Stats, I just might use them. And if you'd like to see some of the probability commands, click on the probability commands on the right-hand side. And these are all of your probability, typically distribution types of things. So we can create a normal distribution or find a normal value. We can also find some random normals or random binomials. So we'll use some of these this week as well. But this is where I would look to find where all of those commands were located. So again, I clicked on that little, if I back up a little bit, I clicked on the keyboard icon in the lower left-hand corner, and then I clicked on the lazy snowman here. And I just pick any one of these and then go to Online Help. So that is that. I hope this has been helpful.